Today, explore natin ang 1,000 Steps sa Upper Ferntree in Victoria, Australia, a gem ng fitness enthusiasts at nature lovers. 40 minutes travel from Melbourne, magsuot ng comfortable shoes and clothing. Tara na, let's go! Inom muna tayo ng tubig para handa na mag-exercise. Most importantly, warm up tayo bago mag-exercise. Dahil ang warm-up ay nagpapataas ng rate ng puso at paghinga natin, nagkapahintulot sa inyong dugo na umikot ng mas epektibo sa iyong katawan na nagdadala ng oxygen at iba pang mahalagang nutrients. Kapag handa na ang iyong katawan para sa pagkilos, makabuluhang bawasan mo ang anumang panganib na masaktan ang iyong sarili sa biglaang paggalaw na hindi handa ang iyong katawan. So, ready na tayo? Kokoda Memorial. Ang principal focus ng Kokoda Track Memorial Walkway ay para sa mga sacrifices made during the key battles na nagtook place in year 1942 to 43 along the Kokoda Track and other locations in Papua New Guinea. There are two tracks na pipilian pagtaas sa bundok. It's called Lyrebird Track at Kokoda Track. Ang Lyrebird Track ay very steep, papunta sa taas ng bundok. Ang Kokoda Track naman ay probably the Melbourne's most popular bushwalk. So, taas na tayo. Dahan-dahan lang. More walking. And then, ito na yung start ng 1,000 steps. Ang ganda ng view sa paligid. So, sightseeing muna tayo bago tumaas. May mga wildlife din. Like these birds, this beautiful red crimson rosella. Enjoy din natin ang breathtaking, relaxing view on the way up to the mountain. Kakapagod, papawisan ka na, so may pahingahan din naman. And then, balik ulit. Enjoy the view. Habang nagpapahinga. Pag-usapan natin guys ang two tracks. Yung Lyrebird Track pala is a popular walking route that complements the 1,000 Steps, which is also known as the Kokoda Track Memorial Walk. Nagpo-provide siya ng way pababa from the summit of One Tree Hill after makomplete yung 1,000 Steps. The Lyrebird Track is about 4.8 kilometers. Nag-offer siya ng moderate walk through the Dandenong Ranges National Park. Samantalang ang Kokoda Trail naman, which is called the 1,000 Steps, which is really 1,000 steps going up the hill, probably Melbourne's most popular bushwalk. Kung sa taga-Iriga ka, it's about 3 times plus 100 steps more. Officially, ang Kokoda Track Memorial walkers love the challenge ng steep trail, locals appreciate the convenience, and tourists just want a picture of a gorgeous rainforest walk. But sabi nila, to truly appreciate this place, you need to walk when it's quiet. The Kokoda Track Memorial Walk departs from Ferntree Gully Picnic Ground, winding up a steep hill along a creek through lush rainforest before emerging into a clearing where you can enjoy a great views of Melbourne through the trees. Complete the loop by taking the Lyrebird Track back to the car park. The path is steep and beautiful, which makes it attractive to fitness walkers and tourists. Take note, leave your dog at home as this walk is not for pets. Made it to the top, yay! Ito na tutok niya. Inom muna tayo ng tubig bago mababa sa Lyrebird truck. Kulang pa sa'yo yung pagtaas ng 1,000 steps. Meron pang other place to go up there, One Tree Hill, for more energetic ones. Pataas doon. Pero ako, bababa na. Pagod na. Time to go back. Bababa na tayo sa Lyrebird truck. Pag-usapan natin about fitness. Fitness pala guys, generally, as I previously covered sa walking episode ko, sa kalahatan, maganda ang regular exercise kasi napapanatili niyang malusog ang katawan, ang utak natin, pagbaba ng timbang, patibay ng buto at muscles, at para lalo na pag ginagawa natin ng regular ang exercise. Marami siyang benepisyo. Ang iba ay ito. Una, nagdudulot siya ng kaligayahan, nagbabawas ng anxiety, stress, depression dahil pag nag-exercise tayo, nagre-release ng norepinephrine and serotonin, nagre-release din ng endorphins. Pag nag-ehersisyo, nagbibigay ng positibong damdamin at nagbabawas ng pakiramdam ng sakit. Pangalawa, nagbabawas din ng timbang. Nakabilis ng metabolism kasi siya. Pangatlo, maganda sa muscles at buto, lalo pag tumatanda na tayo, nababawasan ang dami at lakas ng muscles natin. Nakakatulong siya para maagapan ang osteoporosis habang tumatanda. Nagdadagdag din ng energy, lalo na sa mga may chronic fatigue syndrome kasi habang kumikilos ang katawan natin, nagbobomba ang puso natin ng dugo na nagdadala ng oxygen sa mga muscles natin. Also, nagpapaganda ng balat kasi ang pag-exercise ay nakakatulong ng katawan na gumawa ng antioxidant para matanggal ang free radicals sa katawan natin para mapaganda ang balat natin. So, exercise ulit. Post-exercise stretch. We made it to the top. Thanks guys. Join me next time for the other sightseeing adventure natin. Bye for now!